Hello, today we're doing a quick overview of a tactile switch for a change, the KNC Keys green jacket switch. Quick disclaimer, I was sent these switches to check out, but I'll still be providing my own unbiased opinion. If you want to learn more about these switches, you can check the link in the description below and use code TOFUTYPES to save 5% on your order. The green jackets are the follow-up to the red jacket based on a popular show that we all know and love, and come in two variations, a linear and a tactile, which is what I have in front of me. Both the linear and tactile variation are manufactured by Zepsody and utilize a 13.9 long pole stem, a nylon bottom, an HPE top, and a 63.5 double spring. With these being a Zepsody switch, if you wanted to use these housings for Franken switches down the line, make sure the top doesn't have the two prongs to hold the leaf. The switch is also slightly factory lubed and has an extended center post. First impression with these switches is that they're a very sharp tactile switch, with the closest comparable long pole tactile switch I own being the white shades, which even then they're only a 13.4mm stem. The green jackets have no pre-travel and a little bit of a post-travel. Feel-wise, I don't have much to complain about. It's an unga bunga long stem that has a somewhat normal feeling travel for this long oak pole due to the extended center post. It's pretty smooth and doesn't really have any noticeable scratch either. In relation to sound, compared to the white jades that I own, they're pretty much on par. I would say maybe the green jackets are a bit brighter and cleaner in person, but your mileage may vary. There's also a slight bit of leaf ping on these switches, but that can be resolved with some lubing if you'd like down the line. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, and have a good one. Bye.